Hello everyone, it's me Patrick. So, I'm actually here. This is Auto Route 15. I'm at the US-Canada border over there. That's the border crossing station into Canada. And right at this little rest stop here at the border, I found yet another working payphone from Bell. We don't have these in the United States, or we really don't have a lot of working payphones anymore. It actually has a dial tone. Don't know if you can hear that, but yeah. No display on here, but it works. It has a dial tone, and you got a good old briefcase of the phone book. Pretty cool.